Okay, now we're going to move on to the social setup. To use social, click the social setup. First, we need to turn it on. The system always asks you to make some changes. Now remember, you can't use social setup with the quick setup. So if we had been in the quick setup and we turned social on, it would automatically have turned us over to the custom setup. First, we're going to go over to the settings page. And this is the post that will get populated in your customers' Facebook or Twitter accounts when they make that connection as they're sharing. Then you want to customize the page that the bit.ly link attaches to, which we call the social media collection page. Just like you did in the custom setup, you can put your logo in here. You can change this text over here. You have another image container. And this is what the customer's friend will populate to tell you that they want to get a copy of your deal. Now let's move over to the mobile setup. If you have a brick and mortar location or something that you have customers that actually come and see you, you can use the mobile site to have instant gratification. The entire process of Expect Referrals is done on their smartphone. Now there's a little bit of customization that you can do. You can upload your logo. Let's go back to the welcome page here. You can change the background color. Let's go ahead and change it to something different. Change it to a light blue color. Every time you make a change, though, you need to go down here, click Save and Refresh, and it will automatically change it in this preview. This is actually a live preview, so if you were to open your phone and put in your referral site, you'd see this exact thing. You can change the font, you can change the color, but the information about your program is actually pulled in from your program details page or the custom setup, depending upon where you've been. We also offer you a QR code that you can download and use that QR code on printed materials and posters and little handouts. If you own a restaurant, you could put it on table tents in the middle of a table so that your customers can scan that QR code with their smartphone and immediately start sharing using the mobile version of the site. Now, last but not least, we have the custom form fields. Over here, this is where you can actually capture different data sets from your customer and about their friend during the process. It's very simple to use. The ones that we absolutely have to have, the first name, last name, email address, and password, you cannot enable or disable, and they must be required. But the ones that we add to, the address, the city, state, zip, and birthday, you can either enable them so they appear on the form, or you can not enable them and they won't appear. Or you can make anything required. You can also add your own. Now, as you see, we've added a few. Let's go ahead and add one more. Click Add a Field. Do you like our gym's new colors? And then you choose the type of response you want, put in the answers, and click Save. Now, every time you add a new field, it automatically enables it and requires it, but you can also make that change anytime you like. The exact same thing happens over here on the recipient form. So here are the ones we've already done. We can go ahead and delete this one. And let's add a new one. Does your friend work out? Since we're a gym. And we'll make that a radio button, yes or no. Oops. Click Save. And we've actually made that one enabled and required. Let's go ahead and let's look at the site so that we can see what it looks like. I'm going to click Share Now. This is the customer sign-in page. These are the two we had already, but this is the one we added. Do you like our gym's new colors? Because we did not require it, it doesn't have a little asterisk, so the customer could actually move forward without filling in this information. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the reporting section. The reporting section is next on our list. And in addition to real-time statistics that you can see in the form of graphs and pie charts, information about your referral program over time, you can also export a database of the customers that are participating in your program, the people that they're sharing with, anybody who's unsubscribed, and if you're doing the redeem coupons, you can export a list of those as well. Inside these spreadsheets are also the data that gets captured if you use the customized form fields. Now let's go over to the redeem coupon section. Now, this is not a requirement, but this is an add-on feature that you can use. If you have another way to track your program through your current system that you're using for your business, that's great. But if you don't, then every single email that goes out in the coupon area has a unique 3 of 9 barcode that can be scanned, or it has a 10-digit unique number that's appropriate for you and your program. If you'd like, request that your customers and their friends bring in that coupon to get their deal. Put in that 10-digit code and click submit. One of two things are going to happen. One is you're going to be able to track the coupons that are being used so that you can get a really good feel about the return on investment for your program. And two, if you're using a purchase-based program, you must redeem the coupon before the customer reward email goes out. So this is how you do it. Let's move on to the add-ons. Currently, the only add-on that we have in Expect Referrals is the referral plugin, but there are more to come. The referral plugin is the ability to create the entire Expect Referrals experience inside this box. Export the code for this box, place it on your website, and your customers can go to one place and do everything they need to do. You get to customize it just a little bit by changing the width, the background color, kind of like we did with the mobile, uploading a background image if you have it on a URL, changing the font, the color, the headline up here. Let's go ahead and do that. Change it to spread the word. Again, click save and refresh, and it happens currently over here. Now, to view what's going to exist in this box, you just click the Next button. There's the customer sign-in page. If you were watching the custom form fields, then you see that we have our custom form fields are there. This is where your customer does their sharing. If you have social media turned on, they can actually click this button and they can go through the entire social media process. And that's it. They click log out, and they're done. Then all you have to do once you have this all customized is make sure that you do go in and set up your emails, because the emails that are used during the web experience get used for this too, the customer incentive email as well as the incentive email. And you need to set up your social program as well if you're using social. Then once you're done, click generate code, take this piece of code, place it on your website, and you're done. Now last but not least, let's look at the affiliate tools. Now, whether you want to use it or not, just by being a subscriber, you're automatically an affiliate. And an affiliate is that we pay you every time somebody registers for Expect Referrals, either through a direct link that you've been assigned or from a banner ad that you can export from this section. It's very simple to set up. You click the Setup button, put your PayPal email address in, click Submit, and it connects it together. Make sure that you've put the right one in. Then look down here, and this is how you can be compensated. It's based on the number of subscriptions that you have, and the percentage of the subscription that's purchased, you get that in your PayPal account every month on the 20th. Come on over here to create ads, and you see you've got two ways to share this connection with the people that you know. One is with a direct link. Just place this direct link inside your emails or on your blog or however you communicate with customers. Or you can export any of these banner ads that we've created, and we've created a whole bunch of different ones in the most popular styles. Select the one that you want, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click Create Ad, and you get the code that you need. Embed this code, again, on your website, in your blog, in an email, however you advertise to the people that you work with. And if someone clicks on it, it'll take them to the Expect Referrals website, and if they sign up, then you will get credit for it. Now you come over here to the affiliate summary, and everything is tracked for you. The number of active subscribers. Keep in mind that even free trials are considered active subscribers, although there is no payout for a free trial. The number of canceled subscribers, so you can see if people cancel out of the program, and how much you're going to be paid on the next month and how much you've earned to date. And over here, you can come over to the stats page. And we've actually created a way for you to look at how each of your ads are doing. So if you use the direct link, then it'll show how that's doing, number of views, number of clicks, number of sign-offs. And if you use banner ads and you use them on different web pages, we'll track each and every place that you place one of those ads and how it's doing as well. And that is the overview of Expect Referrals. I hope that we've been able to answer all of your questions and that you are ready to start working. If you have any questions at all, come over here to the Ask Us button And the first thing you'll notice is it says search our knowledge base. We've got an extensive knowledge base. So if you're thinking about, you had a question about the redeem coupons or incentives, just type in some keywords and click the enter button, and you'll see all the articles that are written in our knowledge base about anything that is mentioned about incentives. And if none of these are working for you, then come on back, write in a question, and submit it to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're also very committed to being here live for you. So if you need help, just give us a call, 888-850-8207. If you don't get a live person, just leave a message and a live person will call you back. That is one of the differences here at Expect Referrals. We treat you like a customer. No matter what plan you're on or how long you're involved, we're here to help you as much as we can. So thank you very much for spending the time and looking through the demo with us and taking the time to learn about Expect Referrals. We hope that it works for your business and that it brings more through the door. Thanks so much. Have a great day.